This is a video tutorial for students to view the comments that their teacher has left for them in their assignments. This includes not just looking at the comments that teachers make in the comment box, but also any comments or highlights or markings they've made in the annotations. So to view those, students would come to the left-hand side so you can see the student has actually submitted the assignment. Over here in the bottom, I can actually see the comments that were made by the teacher, but in order for me to see those annotated comments, I would need to actually click on the submission details. If a teacher wants to make sure that a student checks this, you might put as your comment, please click on the submission details link above to view my comments. And then the students would actually click on submission details, and then it would take them to this screen. And in order for them to see those annotated comments, they have to click on view feedback. And when they do that, another box will pop up, and this will look like where the teacher had actually left the comments. And you can see here is an annotation that the teacher made, another one using the box annotation. They've highlighted some content, and they've circled something that they want to show. So there's a bunch of different ways you can actually mark up your student's text with comments, but this is how a student would actually be able to see what those comments are. I hope this video has helped, and please click on the other resources and video tutorials for more. Thanks for watching.